In a divorce, we talk about dividing our assets and our liabilities. But how do I divide what I can't see? Moreover, how do I divide what I didn't even know about? Hidden assets, that question comes up a lot. Clients come in and say, I have no idea what my spouse has. There are many ways we can search for assets. There are many ways we can subpoena institutions to find out about all financial records that institution has for a party. Tax returns are also very telling. Sometimes we'll see interest and dividends being paid on accounts that weren't identified. So while we're for a large part on the honor system, in that each party is supposed to truthfully and honestly answer questions about their assets and their liabilities, I believe, like Ronald Reagan said, trust but verify. So there are many tools at your lawyer's disposal to verify the accuracy of the asset disclosure that your spouse provides. Your lawyer may advise you to engage a forensic accountant. The forensic accountant does exactly what their name sounds like. They're plowing through books and records. They're looking for all kinds of things, not just when we think there are hidden assets, but also in the valuation of businesses, in the valuation or at least the determination of what your marital lifestyle is. So when we're talking about alimony, we are looking at how did we live during the marriage? What was our cash flow during the marriage? And oftentimes forensic accountants put together complex schedules that assist both mediators, the litigants, and judges determine what the marital lifestyle was and what the value is for particular assets. We're midway through the divorce, and lo and behold, we find out that your spouse hasn't been honest, and we identify a series of accounts that were never disclosed. What do? Well, I would obviously alert the court, and I would be looking for counsel fees, a payment of counsel fees from your spouse to you for the time and expense that you went through in uncovering those assets, whether we had to use a forensic accountant or private investigators and the like. The cost that you incurred and the time that we wasted chasing the truth would be something I'd ask a judge to compensate my client for. Should you become your own private investigator in your divorce? Absolutely not. There are experts that do this. Don't start rummaging through your spouse's office. Don't open your spouse's mail. Don't start going through their computer and trying to guess their password so you can log into their accounts. There's something called discovery in a divorce, and that allows your lawyer to ask questions, to ask for documents, and your lawyer has the power of a subpoena. Your lawyer can subpoena bank records at any financial institution in the country. We can subpoena your spouse's employment records and a host of other things at our disposal. You don't have to become your own private investigator. Is your spouse hiding assets? Maybe. It happens in some cases. People forget about an account they opened years ago that's sitting and collecting interest, or they conveniently leave things off of their case information statement and never disclose an asset. There are a multitude of tools at your lawyer's disposal to uncover, identify, and find hidden assets. If you want to know more about what that looks like, give our office a call.